Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about the mathematical operation, which is subtraction. Now look at the picture. Asad has 7 bananas in his plate. Monkey has eaten 2 bananas. Now, how many bananas in his plate? Yes, he has only 5 bananas. Asad is not sad, he is happy because his monkey is happy too. Asad has 7 bananas in the start. He has given 2 of them to his monkey. Now 5 bananas are left. We can say that 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. We will write 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.